Welcome to today's video. We're going to actually talk about bad breath and how to get rid of it. Hey guys, welcome back. Some of you guys may have noticed I was trying to floss my teeth but got interrupted. But we're going to talk about how to get rid of bad breath. And this is our last video of our 5-part series. But just to jump right into it, there's different types of mouth rinses. Some of them are to help just to freshen bad breath, and some of them actually help to kill bad breath and bacteria. And we do have a couple of examples of Biotene for patients who are experiencing dry mouth. Could be just from the decrease of salivary flow, or different types of medications could also cause dry mouth. So it's really important to make sure that we don't have dry mouth, so that it helps decrease or lessens our chances of getting cavities in the future. Now, some of you may wonder, what is halitosis? Well, halitosis is basically just bad breath. And how do we get rid of them? Well, as you see here, there's Listerine and tongue scrapers. Now, I have a couple on hand. They are very similar to each other. This one's called Oral Brush in pink, my favorite color. But as you can see, the little tiny brush-like filaments, those are the ones that are actually brushing against your tongue and in between those taste buds and just scraping all the bacteria out. And then you have this harder ridge pink outline in pink to kind of just grab all the bacteria, saliva off your tongue. Kind of like how this picture is being depicted. This one is also a tongue scraper. It kind of looks more of like one of those like seesaw or chainsaw things that you see out in someone's tool shed. But this one also is a tongue scraper. It's very similar to this one, and they also come in stainless steel as well. So I'm sure you can kind of sterilize these. These are probably more of like a one-time use and toss. You can probably, sterilize those as well. And for mouth rinses, so Scope, this specific one is just basically just to kind of freshen your breath. And it may freshen your breath for maybe an hour or 30 minutes, but if you aren't daily cleaning your tongue with a tongue scraper, then you're not removing the bacteria, so that smell will come back. We do have a different brand called Act, and this one's a restoring one, so it does also help with cavities. And it has no alcohol, so it's not going to have that burning content that most Listerine does. Biotene is for dry mouth, and this one will help kind of soothe or kind of like moisturize or lube, your inside of your cheeks for at least 4 hours. And this one is also alcohol free. Patients who are taking lots of medication and also experiencing dry mouth, you definitely want to stay away from products that have alcohol in it that'll just kind of irritate the dry tissue. It's kind of like putting salt on the wound. The two different types of Listerine, you have the blue one and the purple one. So there's a reason why they're different colors, not just kind of be pretty on a shelf. But this purple Listerine has 6 benefits in one. And so it's anti-cavity, which means it fights against cavities, and it helps prevent cavities, of course, restores the enamel, strengthens your teeth, and it does kill bad breath germs. And for the antiseptic gold band for Listerine, this one specifically just kills the germs and kills the bad breath. It also kind of attacks the plaque and can kind of help with gum disease as well. So some patients can actually put this full strength in their water picks and kind of just flush along the lines at areas where they get food caught in there often, or patients who already have gum disease. It's really great to have that water flosser kind of flush everything out. And being that the blue Listerine is antiseptic, this is one of the better Listerine rinses for a patient that is experiencing gum disease. And of course, I have alcohol-free versions as well in mini sizes. As you can see, the alcohol-free versions are kind of like a pastel, lighter color version of the ones that have alcohol in it. So that's how you can kind of tell the difference. But if you're a type of person that is experiencing bad breath or wants to freshen up a little bit and want something better and stronger than Scope, I would definitely look out for the gold band. This is antiseptic. I don't have a sample here today, but there are some versions that say antibacterial, and that's also the same thing as antiseptic. I do have a Crest version that helps with gingivitis and plaque. So this is what this one looks like. It kills about 99% germs. It reduces the plaque bacteria and helps prevent gingivitis, and also freshens your breath. And as you can see, it doesn't say that it's gonna kill the bacteria, but it also helps with anti-plaque. So as we conclude today's last video, are some of the various items that will help kind of combat the bad breath. And now that we've gone through the different types of rinses and what they're used for, and what best fits your needs of you and your family or personality, as like the pink tongue scraper. And after today, like, go grab you some mouth rinse, whether you're a person that needs, you know, something that kills bacteria, or a person that has lots of cavities, or if you're a type of person that likes sweets that have cavities or lots of fillings already, then I would definitely recommend a purple one. A fluoridated purple one will kind of help with lessening your risk for cavities due to an increase of sweets in your lifestyle. If you're experiencing dry mouth, Biotene, Act, and Crest have their own versions. Even Colgate has their own version of Biotene dry mouth oil rinses. And then just remember, a healthy mouth, a healthy body. And to maintain that beautiful smile, please remember, all you have to do is just brush twice a day for 2 minutes, floss daily, whether it's morning or night. Use one of these awesome mouth rinses to help kill the rest of the bacteria, and go get your tongue scraper. You'll thank me later. So this concludes the video for today. I really enjoyed hanging out with you guys this past few weeks. And remember, Hope Dental Clinic invites you guys to come hang out, volunteer, donate if you like. We're one of the largest free dental clinics, and we're able to offer our help to our community and offer over $2 million of free dental work for people who need it. And if you are interested, please visit our website. It is hopedentalclinic.org. Thanks. Have a good day.